A slow toilet flush can be caused by either a blocked drain or mineral buildup restricting water flow through the bowl jets and trap. If the bowl empties slowly but the water level in the bowl drops when you run water elsewhere in the house, you are likely seeing a drain restriction somewhere downstream. Start by testing with a plunger using firm, consistent strokes for 3 to 5 minutes while keeping a good seal around the flange. This often clears soft obstructions. If plunging fails, use a toilet auger designed for toilets and feed it gently into the trap, rotating while applying steady forward pressure to break or retrieve a blockage. Avoid metal drain snakes that can crack porcelain. Check the refill and flush valve in the tank to ensure the flapper seats fully, and the refill tube directs water to the overflow. Weak tank fill or a partially closed shutoff can reduce flush force. If the trap clears but flushing remains weak, inspect the rim jets and siphon jet at the bottom of the bowl for mineral deposits. Use a plastic scrub brush and a descaling solution such as diluted white vinegar or a phosphoric acid-based cleaner applied and allowed to soak for 30 to 60 minutes, then vigorously scrub and flush repeatedly. For persistent calcification, remove the tank to inspect the flush holes at the base of the overflow and use a small tubing brush or a piece of stiff plastic to clear them. Never force metal into jets, because you can enlarge or damage the holes and alter flush dynamics. If multiple fixtures are slow or you detect gurgling, that points back to a main drain or venting problem, and you should hire a plumber to camera inspect the main line and vent stack. Homeowners often assume mineral buildup is the cause when the toilet is slow, but if plunging or augering restores normal flow, the issue was a mechanical clog and not deposits. Test with those tools first. Another common mistake is using harsh, undiluted acids or metal tools that pit or crack porcelain. Use safe cleaners and plastic tools or call a pro for stubborn scale. Finally, people overlook tank or supply issues and only focus on the bowl. Always confirm the shutoff and fill components are operating and the tank fills to the correct height before replacing or modifying the bowl. We built bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners and contractors around projects like toilet diagnostics and repairs so we can find each other quickly. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and learn from real experiences to make repairs easier for everyone.